In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an OCO order. That stands for one cancels the other. This is a type of trading order where two orders are placed simultaneously, and if one order is executed, the other is automatically canceled. So essentially what it does is it allows a trader to set a profit target and a stop loss order at the same time. In this video, we'll be setting multiple profit targets. So let's hop right into it. From the ThinkorSwim trading tab, this tab here, you want to make sure that you have the ticker put in for whichever contract you're trading. So I put in the NASDAQ March 2025 contract. You put in whatever contract works for you. What you're going to do is you're going to come right here under the symbol and you're going to right click. So let's act as if we're setting an OCO order for a buy. And what I want to do in this buy is I want to put in a limit order for it to buy me in at a certain level. I want to set my stop loss, which is super important. And I want two profit targets. I want one target for my first take profit level, but I want to leave a runner on or a couple of runners on. So this is how we'll go about doing it. And it really is just 3 steps. And the first step is coming to this page to right click on this ticker here, and this drop down box will pop up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to choose to buy custom with an OCO bracket. So let's click that. Now, as you can see, immediately at the bottom of the page here, the order entry tool pops up and we have an order ticket. We have 3 orders in the order ticket. And so we have a buy order here and 2 sell orders. This is where you change the quantity of the contracts that you want to buy and sell. And here's where you check that you have the right contract and the right instrument. And then the prices are over here. Now, the first line here, this is your buy limit order here. And we want to make sure that this is toggled to whichever you like. So if I'm intraday trading, this is just a day trade. This is not going to be set to good to cancel. So let's make sure that that's set correctly for your trading. And the next line here, we have our take profit or our stop limit order. And so again, make sure that it's set for the right time. And then finally, you have your stop loss here. And so your stop loss is going to be a market order, okay? And so we have that here, and you want to make sure that you put in all the right prices for your contracts. Now, because we want to have multiple take profit levels, we need to add another line. And the line that we're going to add is going to be another sell limit. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to advanced orders, and we're going to click first triggers OCO. So once you click that, you want to go on to the sell limit line because you want another one of these. So I'm going to right click. I have a Windows. I'm going to right click. You have to do something else with the Mac. I'm sorry, I'm not a Mac user. I don't know what that is. But for Windows people, we're going to right click. And so I'm not sure if you're able to see this box, but a box pops up and you have a couple of options. And we're going to scroll down to where it says create duplicate order. And we're going to create a duplicate order. And what you'll see pop up is another line for a sell limit. So you're going to make sure that all the prices that you have in here are correct, including whatever you put in for your market order. You want to still put in a market order, a price for your market order. And the market will, and they'll sell you out wherever they want, but at least it'll be close to where you wanted it. And so those are the steps that you take. And so once you're done, once you have all of this set up, you go over here and you click confirm and send. So this box is just not highlighted because I didn't put any numbers in here, and I just don't want to because I want to keep this video as short as possible. But you click here and you'll get a confirmation box, and you'll get to review your order, and you press send. And that is how you set an OCO order for a multi-profit take profit order for your futures contracts. So if this video is helpful, please give me a like. If you have any questions, please put them below, and subscribe if you think the channel will be helpful to you as a trader. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.